December is going to be your last chance to buy crypto in a low price. Let me explain, but make sure to share this video with your friends. Now, you see, usually December and August are the weakest months of in investment. It doesn't matter if it's crypto or shares or bonds or whatever. And the reason for that is because people just need money. On August, they need it for vacations, and on December, they need it for gifts. So usually, people cash out on December. And this is why December is going to be a weak month, relatively, of course. And that would be a chance to buy crypto in a low price. Now, on the other hand, people are going to buy Bitcoin as gifts for Christmas. So we will probably see a last peak at the end of this November, maybe beginning of December. Even we are going to see $100,000 Bitcoin, and then it will pull back, not a big drop, but the last drop.